Hello, my name is Martin Boots from Zymnet, and with this screencast I will give you a short introduction to the MoOdalis Learning Management Framework. You can find this diagram at our site www.zym.net together with additional information about MoOdalis. Before I start and go into the system, please let me explain something about the architecture of MoOdalis. MoOdalis is based on the integration of the LMS Moodle and the MoOdalis Information Management Framework. Moodle, the yellow area in the diagram, covers the actual learning activities and the communication within the course room. MoOdalis, the blue area in the diagram, facilitates processes and tasks for the learning management and delivers supplementary services for the course room. A demo site is available at demo.moodalis.de. I will first log in with a simple user account, let's say as an employee of some company, and MoOdalis will first always send me to the My Courses page, irrespective of my role, be it a course creator, teacher or employee. The My Courses page is my home page and shows a list of courses I'm currently enrolled to, or if I switch to the course history, all courses I have been visiting, hopefully successfully. For instance, like the course feedback, I could click this link to download my certificate. I can also switch to the course catalog and browse the different categories, or for instance use the search facility to find courses I'm interested in. Okay, now let's log in as a local administrator. And also, as a local admin, I will first be led to my homepage, the My Courses page, which displays all courses I'm currently involved in. Now let's go into detail and go to the Learning Projects Management, where the administration of all learning events is organized. On the left side, you can see the project tree, which is a structural view onto all educational activities within your organization. For the demo site, we have set up several clients, such as Global or Client A, Client B, which represent a multiple client setup with several Moodle systems administered by MoOdalis. Think of these clients as representing regions, company divisions, departments or any other organizational entities. Below the clients, you can see categories which either provide a more detailed level of organizational structure or which group trainings according to topic, date or other relevant criteria. For demonstration purposes, let me create a new category and a new course within this category. Let's say this is my test category. And I click Create Category. And now I will get a new category, and as you can see I will have also two folders, virtual folders for classroom trainings and for online courses. I'm going to change into the online courses folder, and I will create a new course room. So once I click Create, three things will happen now. First, we will get a new MoOdalis database entry in our project tree, represented by a new node in the tree on the left side. Second, we will have a new course within the course catalog where employees can enroll. And third, we will have created a new and empty Moodle course room. I can visit this course room by clicking this link on the metadata panel. But I'm now going back to the administration area and fill, for instance, in some keywords, a short description, a full description, and further metadata, which I want to be displayed on the course catalog. The metadata and all other panels can be customized according to your needs. Fields can be added to store additional data and removed if unnecessary to simplify the interface. After having provided some metadata for the course catalog, we will need to complete necessary information for the enrollment process. So let's change to the enrollment panel. Here I can, for instance, say this course will be enrollable. I can set a runtime, let's say from the 20th of December till sometime next year. And I can also say the enrollment period is 5 days before the event starts. So some of the fields you already know from the Moodle course room properties, others are completely new and show the extended functionality MoOdalis provides. For instance, I can say this course is subject to approval and define an approver, especially for this course. I can also say this course will have a restricted number of participants, and I can also set up a waiting list and provide the option that every cancellation an open slot will be filled with a new participant from the waiting list. Furthermore, I can add some accounting data, and I can say I will provide a cancellation fee which will be charged 5 days from before the event starts. Now, in order to show this course in the course catalog, I will have to go to the filters panel. I first will set this course to display in catalog and save the panel. But there are more sophisticated filters available. For instance, I could say, please show this course only to users from a specific organizational unit or a special cost center. Or I can define prerequisites, for instance, that only users who have attended another course will be able to see this course in the course catalog. These functions are especially useful within a multi-client setup for a corporate environment on a global scale, where you need to have different configurations for different countries, divisions, departments and user groups. Finally, I will enroll some users to the course. For demonstration purposes, I will do this manually, but of course you can enroll users in a bulk action by, for example, using an Excel file. I first go to the users panel. Here I can perform a name search. We have several users with the last name user in the system. So this is my result list. I can check the users which I want to enroll and, for instance, set a specific status. As you can see, I set this course to subject to approval, which is why this state is the pre-selected one. But I could say, for instance, I know this one is already approved, and I will set the users to enrolled and say add selected users. After the enrollment, you can see a list at the top of the page with all users who have a specific status with respect to this course. As you can see, there are several statuses, and they are usually all linked to some sort of email notification. For instance, in case of an approval, the superior will get an email asking for approval, and also the participant will get a notification saying that she or he is waiting for the approval of the superior. The complete history of the user can be tracked and can be seen within the user history. I could, for instance, set this user to graduated, save the panel, and as you will see, the complete user history will be logged and can be tracked down for instance, reporting purposes. To give you an idea about the reporting capabilities of MoOdalis, let me quickly change to a course where I have prepared a report. Once I'm in the course room, I change to the users panel again. At the upper right side, I, as a local administrator, will have access to several standard reports which will be prepared by the administrator for my purpose. I could, for instance, choose an Excel list of all attendees. I will be prompted to download an Excel file which I, for demonstration purposes, will open in OpenOffice. I could also say, please show me a report directly in the browser window, and I will get a report with accumulated results at the bottom. Okay, that's it for now. You've seen some of the functions of the MoOdalis Learning Management framework. I hope I did my best to give you a first impression, and please have a look at our website to get additional information about MoOdalis, and don't hesitate to ask us for a demo account for the test system. Goodbye.